Today, I am reviewing the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. What impressed me most is how stable the performance feels under sustained load. Many compact systems throttle aggressively once they heat up, but the M6 Ultra manages its power and thermals very well. Even when pushing the CPU close to its limits, clocks stay high and the system remains responsive instead of feeling strangled. The fan noise is present under heavy load, but it never crosses into the annoying, high-pitched territory. For an office, home studio, or bedroom setup, that balance between cooling and noise is handled intelligently. The included 32GB of DDR5 RAM is another huge win here. This is not a token amount meant only to look good in marketing. Dual-channel DDR5 makes a real difference, especially because the Radeon 760M integrated GPU relies on system memory. Multitasking feels effortless. You can have dozens of browser tabs open, run design tools, keep background apps active, and still feel like you have headroom left. For developers, content creators, or anyone working with heavier workflows, this amount of RAM means you are far less likely to hit a wall. Storage performance is also solid. The 512GB NVMe SSD delivers quick boot times, fast file transfers, and snappy application loading. More importantly, the upgrade flexibility is excellent. Knowing you can expand storage dramatically in the future gives this mini PC a longer useful life than many competitors. Gaming performance is where expectations need to be realistic, but also where this system pleasantly surprises. The Radeon 760Mi GPU is one of the better integrated graphics solutions available right now. Esports titles, older AAA games, and well-optimized modern games are absolutely playable at sensible settings. You're not buying this to replace a high-end gaming desktop, but for casual gaming, emulator use, or relaxing with a controller after work, it performs better than most people expect from an iGPU-based system. Video playback and media tasks are flawless. Hardware encoding and decoding for modern codecs like AV1 and HEVC make this an excellent mini PC for streaming, media servers, or content consumption. High bitrate 4K video playback is smooth and stutter-free. Connectivity is another area where the M6 Ultra clearly targets power users. Dual 2.5GB LAN ports are rare at this size and price, and they open up serious possibilities. Whether you're running a home server, a firewall setup, a small office network, or just want rock-solid wired performance, this feature alone sets it apart from many competitors. Wi-Fi 6 performance is strong and stable, delivering low latency and fast speeds on modern networks, while Bluetooth 5.2 connects peripherals quickly and reliably without random dropouts. The multi-display support deserves special praise. Running 3 high-resolution displays transforms this tiny box into a serious productivity machine. Whether you're coding, editing, trading, or managing complex workflows, the ability to drive multiple 4K displays without lag makes the system feel far more expensive than it actually is. Even as a compact home theater or living room PC, it handles high-resolution output effortlessly. Build quality feels solid and purposeful. Nothing about the chassis feels flimsy or cheap, and the port selection is practical rather than gimmicky. USB 4 support adds another layer of future-proofing, especially for faster external storage or display expansion. This is a mini PC that feels thoughtfully designed for real users, not just for spec comparisons. Long-term reliability always matters with compact systems, and GMKtec's 1-year warranty combined with decent thermal behavior inspires reasonable confidence. While no mini PC is immune to the laws of physics, the M6 Ultra feels like a product designed to last rather than a short-term novelty. Overall, the GMKtec M6 Ultra delivers a rare combination of modern CPU performance, strong integrated graphics, generous memory, excellent networking, and serious display support in a compact form factor. It feels equally comfortable as a powerful office machine, a developer workstation, a media hub, or a light gaming PC. Instead of constantly reminding you that it's a mini PC with compromises, it quietly gets out of the way and lets you work, play, and multitask without frustration. That's ultimately what makes this system stand out, not just how fast it is on paper, but how consistently capable it feels every single day.